There, we just finished our last left to right square, and now we need to add another square over here, which is the same thing as we did previously when we did our second square. So what we're going to be doing, we're here. Let me show you that a little better. We're here right now. We're going to pick up all along this left edge and then cast on all of these stitches and work this direction until we get to another point. Here, if I take it off the needles, you can see that square forming up a little better for you. When you've got it all straight out like this, it just kind of looks like nonsense until you can actually see that miter square forming and then joining up to this side right here. There, our little left side starting square is done, and we're ready to make a whole row of squares all the way across. We started off, remember these were those picked up stitches from the previous. We started here really. We picked up along here, we cast on all of these, and we just made our miter going from left to right and doing a knit two together all the way along this edge, and then we just ended off right here with just one little loop. So now we can make more squares all the way along the edge in a really similar manner. Instead of having to cast on all of these stitches though, we're just going to need to cast on these, pick up along this square here, and then join to that square as we go with a knit two together, just like we did on this edge right here.